Hi guys, Kennedy here from St.Albert Dodge, showcasing this beautiful 2021 Dodge Durango RT. Beautiful white color on this vehicle. You won't miss it on the road. This vehicle has a lot of options, so please stay tuned. Moving to the front of the vehicle, we have the Park Sense sensors and the beautiful white front bumper. This Durango also has the LED headlights, great for driving at night. Moving along to the side, we have brand new Bridgestone tires with plenty of tread left on them. These mirrors also have the integrated turn signals. This Durango is special because it has the pass-through entry. If you have your key on your person, you slide your hand in through the door and it will unlock for you. Moving along to the back, we have our backup camera and our dual exhaust. This Durango also has the option for a hitch if you want. If you'd like to know more about the technology, please join me on the inside. Joining me on the inside, guys, this Durango is beautiful. Very luxurious feeling, absolutely stunning vehicle. Looking at the door panel here, we have our window controls and our memory seating. So if you have a multi-driver household, this will be perfect because now you guys won't be adjusting the seats every time you get in the vehicle. Looking at the steering wheel here, we have our Bluetooth voice command and our cruise control settings. On the back of the steering wheel here, we have our paddle shifters and our channel and volume shifters as well. We have our automatic headlights as long as the switch is on auto, and we have our beautiful cluster dash. If we look over to the screen here, it is big, it is beautiful, it is luxurious. Moving down to the buttons, we have our heated and ventilated seating for both the driver and passenger, as well as our heated steering wheel. We have our dual climate control, so no more fighting over who's hot and who's cold. It's all dealt with in this vehicle. We also have our front and rear defrost. Down here we have our sport mode, our eco mode, as well as our traction control and our Park Sense sensors. Looking even further down, we have our USB ports and our auxiliary ports. We also have a wireless charging pad. We have plenty of storage in both the center console and the glove box, which is also lockable. Looking up here, we have our SOS Guardian and Assistant and all of our light and sunroof controls. We also have dual climate control in the back for all of our back passengers. If you would like to know more about this Durango, please give us a call or come down to the store today. Thank you.